Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva grids. Grids are used creatively for collages, portfolios, or consistent layouts across multiple designs. Now to get started, you need to find grids. So head over to the left panel and go to Elements. In the search bar, type in grids. And here are a bunch of grids to choose from. You can select See All Grids to see a lot more variety. And here you can choose one that you want. Now that I've chosen a layer, I can now exit from here, and we need some photos to include in each cells. So I'm just going to type in photos, and here I'm going to come under photos, select see all, and choose 4 random photos to use. I can simply select this one, drag and drop into the cell, or I can drag it from here and into the cell, which is very easy to do. And now all cells are occupied with photos. Now from here, to adjust photos in each cell, all you simply have to do is double click, and you can choose to reposition the photo in the cell. Once you're done, select done. You can also resize an image. Again, you would double click on it and it still opens up the crop panel. So you just drag at one of the corners to resize the image. Again, once you're finished, you select done. If you didn't like the changes that you made, just simply select cancel and it undo it. Now this layer that you've chosen, if you want to customize it, simply click on any one of the image here, just click on the page, and from here you can either resize the grid or stretch it across your design for background effects. And you do it just like that, guys. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.